Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Tamara McKin. I'm here with two of my colleagues, Miss Ariti Sam and Serena Dick. Okay, I place you guys in groups of threes to play this lovely game. This lovely game is a jigsaw puzzle. First, I'll show you guys a video how to place this jigsaw puzzle.
How to solve a jigsaw puzzle. There are tricks to putting together jigsaw puzzles that will make them more fun to do. You will need a jigsaw puzzle and a flat surface. Step 1. Choose a puzzle with a picture that catches your eye. If you're a beginner, choose one with 300 to 500 pieces. Choose a puzzle with sharp or vivid colors and distinct lines for easier assembly. Step 2. Lay out your puzzle pieces on a flat surface, separating the border or edge pieces from the inner pieces. It's easy to miss a border piece, so don't worry if you can't find them all. They'll turn up later. Step 3. Assemble the border pieces first. This gives you a defined area to work in. Step 4. Sort the remaining pieces into piles based on colors, patterns, and shapes. After sorting these pieces, begin fitting them together. Step 5. You've just put the last piece in. Now step back and admire your achievement.
Now I would like you guys to try and solve that puzzle for me. What is on your desk? Okay. Okay, class. Now, what number did you guys get? 2. 3. 5. 7. Good job. Good job. Good job. Can you guys tell me what are these numbers? Prime numbers. Very good. Prime numbers. These are prime numbers. My colleague, Miss Ariti Sam, she will be telling you what is prime numbers and how to calculate prime numbers. Okay, class?
Good morning, class, and thank you, Miss McKin. My name is Miss Arita Gibson, and as Miss McKin said, today we'll be looking at prime numbers. But by the end of today's class, you will find what is a prime number, know how to identify a prime number when given a problem. So, can anybody tell me what they think is prime number? Mark? So you're saying prime numbers are a number that is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, yes, that's correct. So I have a simple definition for you. A prime number is divided by a number 1 and itself. Very good. So what the definition means is that any number, not any kind of number, but a number that you can take and divide it by 1 and the number itself you are dividing it. So look at this example of these numbers. We have 2, 3, 5, 7. So everybody probably have question wondering how I arrive at those numbers. So let me show you a trick of how you can prove that those are prime numbers. So let's look at the first number. First step that we would take to find whether it's a prime number or not, you need to first find the factor of the number you're looking at. And then when you find the factor now, and if it's more than 2, then you automatically know that that's not a prime number. If it's 2 number that it's 1 and the number itself you are dividing it by, then you know that it is a prime number. Very good. So let's look at the number 7. Tony, can you tell me the factor of 7? You're still thinking? Okay. Ronald? Oh, you're saying 1. Okay. This one is a bit tricky. Joseph? 7? You sure 7? Okay, let's work it out and see. So, do you think we have any more factors to go with 7 besides 1 and 7? Any suggestion? No? Okay. So, what do you think 7 is? Is 7 a prime number or not? Let me have Mikey. Do you think it's a prime number? Okay, yes. Why do you think so? Because it has two factors, the number 1 and itself. Very good, class. I like the way you're thinking. I see improvement there. Let's look at the number 16. Can you tell me the factor of 16? Stacy, you're saying 2. Martin, 4. James, 1. Neymar, 16. Stacy, 8. Very good. So the factors that we get for 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 itself. So we have 5 factors of 16. Is that a prime number, class? You're saying yes? Okay. You're saying no. Okay. Why do you say yes? You're just guessing? No, you can't guess, Matt. So why are you saying no, Mark? Because it has more than 2 factors. Very good. Okay, so that 16 is not a prime number. So class, does everyone understand what today's topic is? Christina, you think you need one more exercise? Okay, no problem, I can work that. Let's look at the number 11. Okay. Messi, can you tell me what is the factor of 11? 1, very good. Christina, can you give me the next factor of 11? You're thinking, okay. So what you get, 11? Okay, very good. So, do you think it has any more factor of 11, Christina? No? Okay, why do you think so? Because no, it doesn't have any more numbers to go into 11. Okay, very good. So those are the 2 factors that can go into 11. So 11 is considered a prime numbers. Very good. Very good. Everybody understand the topic now? Anybody has any question for me before we go into today's exercise? No? Yes? No? Okay, very good. So please copy the exercise on the board and then I'll come around and check everyone's book. Okay, class, so is everyone finished? Okay, I'm gonna come around and check the book now. Stacy? Okay, I see you got all correct. Very good. Mark? Yes, the first one, you have to make some correction there. Neymar? Yes, I see you going great. Keep up the work. Christina? Yes, very good, and you're going correct. So basically everybody got the answer correct. So I'll work them on the board so that you can know where you went wrong or if you think you need some teacher guidance on it. So let's work the first example. This question states, I am an even number. I am a prime number. What am I? Christina, what is the first answer? 2. Very good. Can you please say why it's 2 so the rest of the class can benefit? Okay, because it's divisible by 1 and its number itself. Very good. So our next question is, I am 7. I have 2 factors, 1 and 7. What is the answer? Danny? 7. Very good. So 7 is the number to answer. So class, I thank you for cooperating with me and completing all activities given. I will now hand you over to my next colleague, Sir Neil Dake, who will play a fun activity and do a little recap with you and dismiss today's class. So have fun.
Good morning, colleagues. Good morning, students. Thank you very much, Miss Arita, Miss McKen. I do hope that you all enjoyed Miss Arita and Miss McKen's presentation on number 3, prime numbers. With what my colleagues had taught you, we're going to go through a game of crossing off. You see how mathematics is fun? Good. So in this game, you're going to remain in the groups that you were placed in, and the first group to finish and have the most correct answers will win a prize. 1 to 50, as you see, number 1 to 50, and you're going to indicate, cross off the prime numbers. The first group to finish is going to win a prize. You have 10 minutes. Okay, alright. Group 2, you finish? Alright, let's see. Well done, Group 2. 15 out of 15. Yes. There are 15 prime numbers from 1 to 50. We must remember what are prime numbers. Can a member of Group 1 tell me what is a prime number? Well done. Good. Prime number is any number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. In concluding, I want you to remember what are prime numbers, and in our next class we'll be looking at composite number. So with that, you do enjoy the remainder of your day.